In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to a page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a file on a OneNote page so it's easy to find and open whenever you need it. First, open the OneNote page where you want the file to live and click exactly where you want the attachment to appear. This click sets the insertion point so the file's icon will drop right at that spot. It's a small step, but it helps keep your notes tidy and your content in the right place. If you like to keep your pages organized, consider leaving a little space around the spot so the icon doesn't crowd your text or images. Next, go to the Insert tab on the OneNote ribbon. The Insert tab is where OneNote brings in content from outside your notebook, things like pictures, printouts, and, in our case, files. Look for the option labeled File Attachment. This is important. File Attachment places a clickable icon on your page. It's different from File Printout, which would paste pages as images. For a clean, simple icon you can open later, choose File Attachment. When the file picker opens, navigate to the file you want to attach. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a PDF, or another supported file type from your computer or cloud-synced folders. Select the file and click Open. If your file is large, just be aware that attaching it will increase the size of your notebook, which might affect sync times on slower connections. OneNote will prompt you to confirm how you'd like to insert it. Choose Attach File. OneNote will place an icon on your page that represents the file. This icon is more than just a label. Double-clicking it opens a copy of the original file. Think of it as a snapshot at the time you attached it. If you later change the original file on your computer, the attached copy in OneNote won't automatically update. Likewise, if you edit the file after opening it from OneNote, you'll be working with the copy that lives in your notebook. That separation is handy for referencing versions or keeping a record alongside your notes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Give your files clear names before you attach them so they're easy to recognize on the page. Avoid attaching very large files if you're sharing the notebook with others who may have slower internet. And if you place the icon in the wrong spot, you can simply undo right away and try again. And that's it. Click where you want it, go to Insert, choose File Attachment,